The Balls! Tonight, we'll be joined by our two lovely special guests. Let's all welcome Miss Libranda and Miss Uy. So, Miss Libranda, how are you tonight? What about you?
I'm doing fine, but I'm a little bit nervous.
Oh, that's good to hear. So, let's proceed to our next segment called Kamusta. So, in this segment, I'll be asking you some questions, alright? So, the first question is, as a student, how would you prevent SARS-CoV-19?
As a student, how would I? First, I will stay at home as much as I can. Second, I will keep my body sanitized always. Third, I will keep a distance at least 1 meter or above to others. Fourth, I will cover my mouth when coughing. And lastly, I will follow the protocols that government give.
Okay, that's good. What about you, Miss Libranda?
As a student, I can prevent SARS-CoV-19 as much as I am staying at home. Next is always wearing mask when I'm going outside, and especially maintaining safe distance from crowded places.
Okay, thank you for the both of your answers, and I hope our viewers will apply that in their lives. So, let's proceed to the second question. Second question is, how is your daily life in the community?
So, this lifestyle brought a big impact in my daily life. The things that I used to take for granted, like eating out with my friends and families, are now very limited. I am always at home waiting for unexpected things to happen when I'm bored, and usually reminiscing the moment I had before pandemic.
Okay. What about you, Miss Lee?
Comparing my daily life for now is simple, but for before, it is boring. Because for now, I always lay in my bed, playing online games like Mobile Legends, Call of Duty, even LOL, and cooking some delicious merienda when time, watching K-drama at evening. But before, at the sunset, I water the plants. Before, I can do whatever I want, but for now, it is kind of boring.
Yeah. Okay, thank you very much for your answers. So, we all know that it's kind of boring during quarantine, right? So, it's good. So, for our third and last question, are you aware of the protocol? If yes, support your answer. Miss Lee.
Yes, because before I leave at home, I wear face mask and face shield. I even bring some alcohol to sanitize my body. I always apply some precaution to ensure my safety before I leave at home.
Okay. What about you, Miss Libranda?
For me, yes. I know that we should limit social gatherings and time spent in crowded places. Also, always avoid close contact, and especially clean and disinfect. Frequently use or touch things, and always sanitize.
Okay. Thank you very much for your answers. And now, let's proceed to the other segment, which will be hosted by my co-host, Mr. Nico Bertudez.
So tonight, let's proceed to our last category called Fast Talk with Mr. Miko Bertudez. And for our tonight's guest, Miss Arojo. So, how are you feeling tonight?
Well, I'm good since this pandemic started, and yeah, I'm feeling excited about what questions would you be asking to me this night.
Okay, that's good to hear. So now, let's proceed to the Fast Talk. And you only have 1 minute to answer these questions. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. Staying outside or staying inside?
Before staying outside but not staying inside.
Deliver or pick up?
Deliver.
Social distancing or social gathering?
Social gathering.
Shopee or Shoppers Buy?
Shoppers buy.
Modular or online?
Modular.
Commute or walk?
Commute.
Face mask or face shield?
Face mask.
Alcohol or sanitizer?
Alcohol.
Disposable mask or cloth mask?
Cloth mask.
Thank you for answering the questions honestly, and thank you for being with us here tonight.
Thank you too for inviting me here at this show.
Thank you to the beautiful guests that joined us tonight.
And thank you for watching.
Once again, I'm your host, Ivan Viterbo,
And I'm Vico Bertudes.
and this is The Balls!